everybody, my name is Cheesecake Jake, and welcome back to Uncharted 3. I've been abducted. It won't show me this guy's face. Oh, I'll headbutt him. Run straight into that chair. Just, wow, that chair exploded, like, on impact. Oh, oh. I just straight up gave that guy a wrench to the. Oh yeah, he's gone forever, just like that dude. But that dude was like freaking out for a second. He was bugging. Did you catch that? Like, I don't mean he was like acting weird. His like whole character model was actually bugging. Dude, you guys can't take me 4-on-1, or really 3-on-1, but still, it's kind of embarrassing. Ouch. Oh wow, now it's 5-on-1. Oh yeah. Dude, you guys serious. Oh, and bottle to the face. You guys seriously need to pick it up, man. I'm kind of running all over you boys. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, get some. Bro, how many guys do you have? It don't matter. I'll beat the crap out of all of them anyways. Get some. Oh yeah, you don't even want none, buddy. Oh, there's another one. Big boy. Why does everyone have big boys? That's my question exactly. Why is there just randomly everyone has big dudes that are all like exactly the same height as me and all fight exactly the same? Like, I already have your fighting patterns down pretty much to a T. Yeah, see, there's that. Then you gotta dodge that and then you kick him in the nuts. Did you all guys have like a big school for like big dude fighting school? I mean, hell, I would join that. I think I need to put that on a t-shirt. Big dude fighting school. Oh, I need to actually be over there. But I think big dude fighting school would be absolutely fantastic. Hey man, I'd take some rum. Who doesn't like rum? I saw the rum gun. Yeah, I love Pirates of the Caribbean. Or Caribbean, however you say it. I don't really care. Oh, yeah. Excuse me, I gotta jump to this. One. Oh, this is... Where am I? I mean, I assume I'm on a ship somewhere. But, like... Oh, it's falling apart. Oh, but there's a rope. Solid. Yeet. Wee. Wee. Yeet. Okay. Definitely could have jumped when I had more momentum than that. Oh.
Empty. Of course it's empty.
Is this my holster? I think it's just somebody else's shoulder holster. Because I don't remember mine having the gold on it. So. Where are those rum bottles go? Treasure! It's been a while since I found one of these. Oh! Get... What the...
Where the hell am I?
That's a great question. It's kind of a question I ask myself a lot.
Shit. Here goes nothing.
You want me to jump to that rope? That rope better be a lot closer than I think it is. Okay, apparently it was. I didn't think I was making that.
Okay, making progress.
Making progress? Oh, I gotta climb on the anchor. No, it just wants me to go down. Huh. So we're in some type of shipyard? Old abandoned shipyard? Gotta be, right? I don't know where the hell else we would be. Oh, I could just...
Still turn around. Oh, turn around.
Yeah, that's me talking to myself. Yes. Did you have a gun? You don't have a gun? Why don't you have a gun for me? Okay. Well, this is bad.
You're out here somewhere.
Oh, I see a gun. Give me that. Alright, sweet. I'm gonna try and do this as stealthily as possible. But if push comes to shove...
Who is that British woman anyway?
Oh, they're... Oh, I guess that would make sense if they're working for Ramses, they're working for Marlowe, because Ramses is working for Marlowe. Big brain. Big brain plays. I'm gonna need you to walk over here, buddy old pal. Oh! 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 That's a rough way to go. Get punched in the nuts and thrown underwater. Is there a dude up here? There is. Just gotta have something good for me.
2 down, shitload to go.
Well, a sniper rifle just came out of his pants. Well, this is,
Oh shit!
what was I supposed to do there? They're just being butt buddies over here in the corner. Okay, well, whatever. We're into it now. Please tell me that. Oh! And I almost didn't see that. Well, good thing oh, probably could have run at a better time, but good thing I did grab this sniper rifle. Oh, see me, buddy. Oh, maybe you do. A hammer? That's gotta kill you, right? Oh. Oh, okay, I did die. It's like, how am I not dead yet? That's rough. Where? What? Oh. Put me all the way back here. Okay. I'm gonna give this one more go, and if I don't get it, then I'll pause and see what I can do. Hopefully those two guys won't be butt buddies this time. I can actually do something. But who knows? Just need those two guys not to be inside each other. Glad that guy didn't see it. He didn't see nothing. They're gonna be butt buddies again. Are you joking me? Why? Why do you have to be butt buddies?
Two down.
I'll snap your neck. Why do these guys have to be in... Alright, you know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna leave them. Let them have their happy little life. You know what I mean? Usually I don't support not killing people, but you know what? If they're best friends, Oh, that guy got shot. But I can deal with those two a whole lot easier than having them. I need to try and get that turret first. And then... I'll take it. Don't come this way. Why are multiple of you taking this way? This is bad. This is bad. Hopefully they jump other places so they don't see me. I can get them stealthy. Can I reach up and grab it? I can't. What the hell? Also, how does he not see me? He's just blind as shit.
Oh shit!
Oh, come on. That's some blow. Ooh, what the fuck am I supposed to do? This bullshit, man. Alright, you know what? I'm cutting until I get this. Okay, I'm back. There's been some... Oh, hello. Okay, I just don't get to do anything about that. Yeah, there's more guys, I guess. I don't know. They just keep popping up out of everywhere. But this game is actually so bullshit that it straight up just started me halfway in the fight. And, didn't even give me a chance to be a stealth. That fucking turret was already fucking shooting at me. There's no chance for me to do anything. Oh, come on. Your mom raised a bitch. I do, however, need...
Little something for you.
Oh, just shoot him now.
That was insulting.
Okay. Thank Jiminy Jillikers that is over. Although, actually, it's not.
Close.
Pretty sure. Yeah, because there's dudes. There's another freaking... This is so unfair. This is so unfair. Freaking drop faster. This is legit so unfair. They have another turret, and there's guys coming after me now, too. How? Explain to me where that fucking shot went, please. Where did that one go? Explain that to me, please. I'm actually curious. This whole boat section is just complete bullshit after complete and utter bullshit.
There you go.
Excuse me? Are you fucking kidding me? And an RPG comes out of fucking nowhere. Where am I at? Oh, fucking bullshit. Well, that's got 1,000 bullets, but I got nobody to fucking shoot it at.
Alright, getting close.
It's not exactly helpful now, is it? Let's get on this bullshit. I can't shoot that guy, because... too far to the frickin' right. Just get... Anybody else?
Come in handy?
Okay. I think we did it. Like, this part is so insanely, like, why? Why is this the way that you made this? No? No? Oh, okay, there's another ladder on that side. I was like, what the hell is going on, man? God, I sincerely cannot. Oh no, this looks fine. I sincerely cannot tell you. Oh yeah, no, that looks good. Well, this is what that gym class paid off for. But yeah, oh, come on, man. Just, oh, dude, one, you're a terrible shot. Two, why are you holding it like that? There's no need. But I sincerely cannot tell you, see you later, how ready I am to be done with this game and move on to Uncharted 4. What? How are you not dead? Like, seriously. Sometimes it feels like these guys are stronger than the Guardians from Uncharted 2. They just put so many bullets into them. They do not die. Oh, great. They got guys with riot shields, too. Fantastic. You know what? I've had enough of this. Take some of that.
I could help.
What's up, Betty? Oh, you don't want to play with the big boys now, huh? I don't know where that voice came from, but boy, howdy, am I angry. This entire game just fills me with rage. We were just so happy, you know. We beat The Last of Us. There was a wholesome moment in there. There was a not so wholesome moment in there. But I gotta talk about some stuff that I like to talk about. And there was some other things that I won't spoil that made me very happy. So, I knew this game was just gonna take it out of me, man. All that happiness, all the everything that I had. And, you know, you might ask me, why not just skip this game if it really makes me that angry? Well, I mean, I don't know. I guess I really just don't want to, I just don't want to, like, do all the other 4 games, actually, because there's one without Nate. But I don't want to do all those games and then just, like, randomly not play this game, you know what I mean? So, I don't know. I'll suffer through it. And if it ain't your thing, it ain't your thing, alright? Just don't watch this, then. Don't watch me get angry. That's alright by me. That is not the side I wanted you to drop on. No, get to the... Thank you. Jesus. Get to the side where you can actually do something. For once in your fucking life. It's not Nate's fault that this game sucks. It's Naughty Dog's fault that this game sucks. I seriously... this is something I'll probably talk about and when the credits are rolling, but like... I seriously don't understand how they screwed this one up so bad. See, like, what the hell was that? Why did it even have me grabbing onto that thing in the first place?
Don't look down. Okay.
It's kind of forcing my camera down. And I made it. If you had one shot.
Back on solid ground. Or solid boat.
You only have one shot to die and then not have to play this game anymore, would you take it? No, because obviously I didn't. Oh, that's the side of a boat. It's not like I don't fucking know that. But it's okay. It's okay. Everything's okay. It'll be okay. It'll all be good. We'll work it out in the end. Everything
Shot after this.
will be A-okay. We'll be good. We'll work it out. But till that point, I'm still gonna be a little peeved that this game is the way that it is. Oh, hey, what's up, buddy? At least I get a fucking At least that animation makes me laugh. Am I gonna make that? Oh, thank God I did. How do they know I'm here? Like, that's a legit question. How do they know I'm here? Okay. See, this part ain't too bad. And you know what? I really.
Watch your step.
Oh no. Most of the set pieces. You know what? I'll leave my my grievances of it till the end. I'll talk about my thoughts about this game. But that is actually all the time I got for this episode. So, please leave a like, subscribe, and tell a friend about my channel if you enjoyed today's video. It sure would help me out a lot. Doesn't cost you guys anything except a couple seconds of your time. Other than that, videos go live noon daily. That's noon Pacific time, 3 Eastern time, so make sure you're coming back for that so you never miss a video. And other than that, I don't really have a whole lot. So I will see all you guys in the next episode. Stay kimchi, my friends.